Hi, my name is Barnett, and I'm in the welding program at Green Country Technology Center. Well, in 8th grade, I tried it at school in my ag class, and from that point on, I was like, y'all want to be a welder. It was kind of just like natural, just came natural, and I just wanted to get better and learn it all. You want to strive to have more certifications. I have 10 weld certifications. Some of the weld certifications I have are 6G TIG, I have 6G MIG and flux, 1G pipe rollout, 2G pipe, I've done a 5G pipe, 1, 2, and 3G plate. My first certification was 3G stick, all the way out. Having the opportunity to come to Green Country is really great. In 2 years' time, you're ready to get a job that you know will be able to support a family and you and what you like to do.
Hi, my name is Logan Rocha. I'm a student at Henrietta High School. My first year, I definitely was more of a slacking off student. I didn't put in enough effort. I didn't know how to run most of the machines in the shop. I just slacked off, didn't try. My second year I came in here and I put in all the effort and put in the time every single day. Hell even told me, it showed completely. I learned how to operate every single machine in here to the best of my ability. I got my 8 certifications. I got certified in 6G, in MIG, stick, flux, and TIG. I got certified in 3G, in MIG, stick, flux, and TIG. And I got certified in 1G, in MIG, flux, and TIG. I've already got a great job right out of high school right now. I got room to improve, but it's a great job for me to start out. I'm excited to see how my future will go.